Today we've got our second test box. Thank you, TesBox, for sending this to us. We did a video that was pretty successful with them before, and it was a nice box. So today, what they sent us is a box that they've called, for the hint, they've called it Supercharging. So we're not actually going to open this right this second. We're going to go to the Supercharger and open it. But let's take a look at the packaging here. So this time it came bubble wrapped and in a paper envelope. There we go. And so it's the same box as last time, but here we can see that it's got an indicator. It's month 2, batch 21. iPhone. Interesting. As we don't have an iPhone. So we're going to see what happens with the Supercharged test box, and we'll catch you at the Supercharger. Okay, we're here with the test box at the Supercharger, at Springfield Supercharger. Let's take a look and see what we got in the Supercharged test box. Let's open it up. Okay, so once again, we got to thank you for subscribing to TesBox. We got a USB-C, a USB Mini, and USB-A, and this is a USB-A as well. Got ourselves a 3D printed Supercharger. Look at that, I like it. So let's see, what you would do is you'd put in your phone cable here, and then you clip it in, and then out here you get, this one is the lightning, so we would put in, our case we put the USB-C. We'll come back to that. But it is supercharged. Alright. We've got ourselves a gamepad so we can play games while we're supercharging. Look at that. Alright, I like it. That's what the mini USB is for. Okay, okay. I like it. Triggers, the shoulder buttons. It's very much in the mold of the DualShock 2 controller for the PlayStation 2. So that'll be fun. We'll try that out in a moment. Uh-oh! We got ourselves some Elon Musk! The Elon Musk air freshener. I'll get Luna to evaluate that in a moment. Got ourselves a Supercharger sticker. Some more Elon Musk! Alright, we got ourselves a Supercharger mask. So that way it'll go quite nice with our Tesla mask. So now when Luna and I go out, we can have matching masks. And then we've got a universal dust cleaning gel. That'll be interesting to try out as well, because there are certain spots in the car that collect smuts, as our friend Bjorn would say, Tesla Bjorn. So you just kind of put it in all the crevices, and it will pick up the dust. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the air conditioner back on, and we're going to try out all these pieces and get back to you. And with that, we'll catch you on the flip side. All right, so we're going to use the cleaning putty that we found in our test box. Slimy. Come on. Come on. All right, so not too many people have sat in this chair, so let's go ahead and we just kind of press it in there and pick it back up, and you can see it's picking up the little bit of smooch from the chair there. And you can see it's got the pattern of the chair, it's picking up the dust. Nothing wrong with white seats. This on the driver's seat, get a little bit more. You can see here we got a little bit of discoloration, but not much. They'll come up with baby wipes. Gross. Do it again on the dash. They show it on the vents, but my vents aren't really a problem. like this seat control here. Stuff like that. And that is the cleaning putty. I'll look up how to actually clean the cleaning putty later. Next up, Luna's going to evaluate the Elon Musk.
Smells good.
She says it smells good. So we can hang this from the mirror in the places where it's legal. Some places it's illegal to have stuff hanging from your mirror, so you can put it somewhere else. Like in the case of the Model X, the sun visors, or these top fit hooks that we have on our gear site. Probably not here because you don't really want a smell rubbing on a surface. So the edge of my phone holder, which happens to also be in front of the vent. If my friend Arash made the ScentWedge for the Model X, I would have put a ScentWedge in there, but he doesn't. I'm gonna tag you in this video description, Arash. ScentWedge for the Model X.
You see, Elon smile in the front of you all the time when you drive. It's funny. Annie, look.
Yeah?
When you drive car.
Elon's smiling back at me?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna have Luna model this mask since I did the last one.
This way. Oh, my eye.
You ready? Luna in the supercharging mask. So if you have a Model 3 or Model Y or a new Model S or Model X, whenever they hit the streets, you're gonna have a USB-C. And you'll need a USB-A to use this. So they've given you an adapter. Like so. But since we have an older car, we have a USB-A port. We're going to plug this in here. And then we'll meet you inside the car. Alright, so you'll take this and you'll plug it into one of your primary ports. You plug that into one of the data ports on your car, and then you can go into the arcade. Let's go back to, let's do Cat Quest, because you need a controller for the Cat Quest. Hopefully it picks up my save game. I don't remember using the inventory on the last one. It says it's a side quest. I hope that was somebody I was supposed to fight, because I just knocked them out. Oh no! He died! Ah! But that's the controller. I like it, and it's nice. It's a nice blue. Goes well with the car. It's a V3 European model. You can tell because it's got that large piece over there. Although when you sign up for the TesBox using my code below, you'll tell them what type of phone you have, and so I could use this on Luna's iPad, or I could open this up and change the cable right here for my Android. So that's the TesBox. If you sign up using the code below in the description, they'll know that I sent you, and you'll get the current special on the TesBox. And every month, just like a regular loot box, you'll get items related to your either Tesla ownership or Tesla enthusiasm. So if you're a future owner, you tell them you're an enthusiast, and later on you can change your settings to be into an owner. And you tell them what type of car you have, and if you have an iPhone or an Android, and they will send you cool stuff every month. Their inventory system will make sure that you don't get the same thing twice. And that's not just because they keep giving me test boxes, but disclaimer, they do give me test boxes, so that's why I marked this video paid promotion, even though no money has exchanged hands. With that, we'll catch you on the flip side.